Every dollar wasted is a step away from success. In the manufacturing world, cost overruns aren't just accounting mistakes, they're deal breakers. What if I told you there's a strategic way to control costs, boost productivity, and make your manufacturing projects run like a well-oiled machine, from idea to execution? Welcome to the world of strategic cost management, the difference between thriving and surviving in the manufacturing sector. Whether you're a plant manager, project engineer, or a cost controller, the reality is this: managing cost isn't just about tracking numbers. It's a strategic game, and most lose because they play it wrong. You've probably been there: budgets ballooning, timelines slipping, and leadership asking the dreaded question, why didn't we see this coming? This video isn't about theory. It's about execution. We're diving into the 5 key phases of strategic cost management, packed with real-world case studies, battle-tested strategies, and techniques you can apply right now. It all starts here: planning. And yet, this is where most go wrong. Let me tell you about a company. Let's call them Factory X. They launched a new production line with big dreams, but no strategic plan. For months in, they had 3 times the expected downtime and over $400,000 in unexpected costs. Aligning cost objectives with business goals. Early stakeholder involvement. Cost breakdown structures, CBS. Risk-based planning. Strategic planning reduces cost deviation by up to 35%. Source: PMI 2023. Once you've planned your project, the next pitfall awaits: estimation. An auto component manufacturer estimated $2 million for a machinery upgrade. Actual costs: $3.6 million. Why? Poor historical data, zero strategic estimation models. Parametric versus bottom-up estimation. Historical data models. Learning from analogous projects. Strategic buffers. In our full online course, we break down these tools step by step using 7 real-world case studies. Budgeting isn't just about setting limits, it's about strategic resource control. A global electronics manufacturer introduced zero-based budgeting and saved $2.4 million in its first fiscal year. Why? They budgeted for value, not just volume. Zero-based versus incremental budgeting. Cost-value alignment. Forecast-adjusted budgeting. Budget ownership by department heads. Make your budget live, update monthly, not yearly. If planning, estimating, and budgeting are the strategy, control is the execution. A packaging company was losing $15,000 a week from minor inefficiencies until they implemented a real-time cost control system. Earned Value Management (EVM). KPIs for cost efficiency. Cost trend forecasting. Variance analysis. Control isn't about micromanaging, it's about steering the ship before the storm hits. And finally, the golden standard: cost optimum. Not minimum, not average, optimum. Cost versus quality versus time trade-offs. Lean manufacturing principles. Total cost of ownership, TCO. Strategic outsourcing versus in-house. A mid-size firm achieved 18% cost savings not by cutting expenses, but by identifying their optimum cost structure using value stream mapping. It's smarter spending, not lesser spending. Let's recap. Strategic cost management isn't a single tool, it's a mindset across 5 stages. Timeline flow of planning. Estimating. Budgeting. Controlling. Optimizing. Every phase builds on the last. Miss one, and the whole system weakens. We've scratched the surface today. But if you're serious about mastering strategic cost management, our online course dives deep into each phase with expert Importance of cost management. Project cost planning. Cost estimation techniques. Budgeting best practices. Baseline budget and cost control. Cost optimization strategies. Whether you're leading a $10 million upgrade or managing daily operations, this course gives you the power to plan smarter, estimate better, control tighter, and execute like a pro. Click the link below and register today. Learn at your pace. Master every phase. Cut costs the smart way. Strategic cost management isn't a task, it's a transformation. Let's build better together.